No interior design is complete without Johnsonite finishing borders. The Millwork Wall Base System brings you the largest selection of finishing borders in the industry. Now, with 4 new profiles to coordinate with any space, from traditional to contemporary.
We offer more than 3,500 millwork SKUs and more than 20 different millwork profiles. So when I come in, I know what colors, what dyes, and what material I need to use. I enjoy working here because it's always different. So it's never the same thing. You get different machines, different materials, and I like it. So I don't get bored. We have a motto: if you wouldn't put it in your home, don't put it in the box. At the end of it, we want to make sure that what we're giving to the customer is what they want.
Johnsonite Millwork Wall Base delivers the appearance of finely milled wood while saving time on installation and maintenance. Because these durable borders will never require touch-up or repainting, they'll continue to deliver return on investment for years to come.
For Johnsonite, color is what our brand was built on. We have 114 colors in our standard line, and we can also match any specific color the customer needs. When we're checking the color, we also use a spectro to make sure that the color doesn't fluctuate when we're checking the part. We want to make sure that the part is the same as when it was 6 months ago for consistency. We've really perfected the art and science of color, no matter the size of their order or when it's produced.
Because we're committed to building a circular economy, Millwork Wall Base is part of Tarkett's Take Back and Recycling program. With the industry's broadest selection of millwork colors and profiles, and a skilled team of artisans crafting every finishing touch, made right means Johnsonite. Explore the extensive millwork collection at commercial.tarkett.com/millwork.